everybody, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you part 1 of how to make a car. So the car I have chosen today is a Honda Passport. So basically basically what you're going to have to start off with is a car blueprint. So you'll get them at thecarblueprint.com. So basically you could go to image, background, and here's something that you don't want to do. Go to 1 and then go to image, background, and then choose where your pictures are. In this case, it's my Honda Passport is right here. So this is going to be the front view, so which means this part of the car is going to be G, and put that right over here, right where the Honda logo is. And as you can see, this goes here. The tires are under, so you don't want that, and you want to put it right here. As you can see, you could actually see where's the thing, so the picture. So you could go to perspective, and you don't like the light, you could just go to opacity and change how it looks. But for right now, I'm just gonna leave it at 1 so you can see. So now, as you can see, you could have it like this. Now we could go to the side view, and this will be used. So we could go to the side view and do the same thing again. Image, background, Honda Passport, like that. And then you could do G and bring it to right where the license plate touches this picture right here. So then make sure you put on perspective, and then that's good. So now the next part is the top view. Add image, background, the same picture, and then R minus 90, and then you're gonna go G and bring it right over here, and then make sure you turn on perspective, and then you have something like this. So now all you need to do is just go. We have the front view, we have the side view, we have the top view, and what are we missing? We are missing the back. So then we go to the opposite side, select add image, do the same thing, and then G, and bring the picture right where the Honda logo is, like so. And then just like this, you want to put on perspective, and then just like this. So now we're going to go and start moving it. So G, Y, and bring that over there. Or I could do G, Y, 10, or G, Y, negative 20. Let's do that. Minus 20. Then we're going to do G minus Z 20. Then you're going to move here, G, X, and then you're going to do move it by negative 20. And as you can see, it didn't do much, so let's try it again. G, X, negative 20. So I think that's where it's supposed to be. So now we have the side view, the front view, the back view, and then you have the top view. So now all we need to do is just go here, G, Y, 20. I don't know how much I put this, but I'm gonna move it G, Y, bring it all the way back. I had no idea where I put how far I put this. So G, Y, right about here, the origin line, and then G, Y, -20, like this. So now this is basically how we're going to go and start out. So we have our front view, we have our back view, we have our front view, and then we have our top view. So basically this is going to be our top view over here, our front view, our back view over here, our front view. So I think I might have mixed this and this up, so let's change it then. So G, Y, 40, and it goes over there. G, Y, -40. So now you could go over here. That's the front, that's the back, that's the side, and that's the top. And thank you for watching today's video, and make sure you like, subscribe, and hit down the notification button for more videos. And I'll see you in the part 2, where we're going to go and start the hood of our car. Goodbye.